All right, this is nuts. Put in $1,000 in this machine, and look at these numbers. 4,000 already. Let's do it. One more 2,500. Okay. Lightning link. Oh, I see $1,000 chip flopping. Come on, 1,000. Okay, okay. Come on, miner. Oh! Major is flopping. Do it. Save it, save it, save it. Ah! Still beautiful. All right, now we're talking 4,800. Wow. Coin shower, baby, coin shower. Beautiful. Back. All right, let's put in the card and do a back-to-back here. That was a really good jackpot. One more and $2. Oh, do it. Oh, two more. Oh my God! Back-to-back $2,500. What is happening? What is happening right now? This is nuts. Oh my goodness. Lightning link is being super nice. Come on, another miner. Is that too much to ask for? Yeah, it's probably too much to ask for another one. Come on, do it. Are you gonna save the day? Save it. Save it. All right. Excuse me? Got it back to back. We've got it back to back. We love them. Look at that. Boom. 3 G's. What is happening, Lightning Link? That is bananas. Thank you for watching. All right, can we get a third back-to-back? Would that be nuts? I think so. One more. Hello. One more, just in case. Do it. One more. Oh my God! Oh my God! $50 bet. I am robbing the casino. Yes, that's true, neighbor. Right? You should have stayed here. Come on. All right, give me the chip. One big chip. 12,000. 12,000. You can do it. Big chip energy. Do it. Ah! 2 more spins, do it. Ah, all right, all right. 200, this is it, chip. All right, I like that. And the last one. Ah, all right. 800. If we get a fourth one, this is illegal. Oh, that would have been nuts. They'll call security if I hit one more. There it is. Come on, neighbor. It's your turn now. It is embarrassing, yeah. Oh, shh. Oh, shh. These are good numbers, people. What is happening? $5,000. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. The machine is oversaturated with cash. There it is. There it is. Let's do some 40s. Max bet. 3 more. All right. Oh, hello. Thank you. Good luck to you. All right. 12 times. Do it. That was a blocker. That's nice. The blocker again. Do it. 2 more. Oh. Almost had it. Guys, we are being teased. We are being teased. All right, if we're getting teased a lot, we switch up and we catch it here. Come on, high stakes, lightning link. Last one. Okay, 300. That's a beautiful hit. Max bet. Oh, look at that. Another 300. Do it. Do it. Ay, ay, ay. The ultimate tease. Do some 25s, then 50s. One more. And here's the bonus on $50 bet. I like that. One more. Oh, here's the bonus. Good luck to you. That was fun. One more. Ooh, that's nice. 150. You can do it here. And the last one. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this insanity. Alright guys, we got it after putting about $1,000 on this machine. I'm playing Magic Pearl, Lightning Link, max bet of $500 a spin. Lightning Link could award you up to 250 times your bet, so I could get a $12,000 Pearl here. Look at that, 750, beautiful. Another 750 would be nice. Mini is 250, I love it. Save it. All right. That's a small jackpot. Not bad, not bad. $2,000 on $50 bet. That's 40 times our bet. No complaints. Alright guys, $2,000 later, we get our max bet, 3 suitcases. Let's see if we can get a 250x chip in the middle. That's not good. That's good. Oh, look at that. Cards all the way across. That's 650, nice. Do the chip. Or the retrigger. Save it. That's it, alright, 900. We can't say no to that. Come on, back to back. You can do it. Still waiting for my hand pay. That was not called for, honestly. All the teasing. One coin at a time. We got it. $50 bet. Max bet, $1 denom. Let's do something big. Chip, baby. Yes. Finally, we got the chip. 10 times our bet, 500 bucks. Give me that 12,000. Save it. That's sad. Very sad, actually. Alright, I think we're gonna get another chip. That's my feeling. And the last one. Great trigger, nice. We got 3 more tries. Got this one waiting. Thank you. Do it, Chip. 10s all the way across, that's nice. Jackpot. Come on, Chip. Cars again. That's nice. 650. And the last one. Roulette. Ah. Pretty, pretty, pretty. $1,900. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, let's see if we can catch a back-to-back here. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's sit down. One more. One more. Screen is not acting right. Let's do a couple spins here, see if we can catch it. Nice, money back. 2 more. Oh, how dare you. That's a teaser. 1 more and let's go back to our... it's teasing. 1 more. Keep saying 1 more and you'll win something with us. 60 back. That's nice. And the last one. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. Alright guys, of all Lightning Link, Heartthrob is my favorite. For some reason, I'm in love with this game. Once you get those multipliers, 16x, you just go home with crap loads of money. We need the 3 moons. We don't care for, honestly, the major and the minor. We just need 3 moons on max bet. All machines are kind of lagging. There's something with their server. Switch down to $1 denom. Do some max bet. The button's not really clicking properly. I'm putting a lot of effort. Ooh, 1,000. I like that. Money back. I'm struggling with these buttons. It's always Lightning Link. There's something wrong with the button. I don't know if it's just the machine or people really get angry at it. Come on, Moon, you could do it. Alright, let's add in a couple more hundreds. Go back to $2 denom. Couple $40 maybe bets. Oh, that's a good one. Hello. Come on, Moons, where are ya? That's 2. We need 3 moons, please. Money back. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That was $2,000, people. Five. Yes, we got it. Next bet, $50 bet. One line, 8 times multiplier or 16 times multiplier, and we leave with at least $20,000. Nope, we got blocked. No multipliers. Do it here. Blocked. I think there's nothing in this one. That's sad. This is sad. Do it. Nah, oh, look at that, $10,000 up there. Guys, not a single dollar in this bonus. Which is expected. These bonuses are so volatile. I'm a little bit disappointed, but we have patience. We've been lucky on these Lightning Link, and we can keep trying. Okay, so added one more 100. Back to $2. Let's get that $10,000 ball. Please and thank you. I don't know what that means. Waiting for a player? No, waiting for the server. That's what you should say. I think we're officially about $3,000 in this machine. Alright, come on, moons. Give me 3 or 4 moons. Alright guys, the machine is camera shy. We'll be back when there's a bonus. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, I'm playing Tiki Fire, max bet, $50 a spin. I'm about $2,000 into this machine. Let's see if it's gonna give us a 16xer. That's not it. 1. Got a little bit of the jacks, 4 times. That's not it. Oh, almost. Oh, we got the birds, guys. So full line by 4. That's a lot of money. Guess how much it is? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I thought it's only the jacks, but the birds, beautiful. 6,800. We still got 2 more spins. Do it again. Oh, almost. Yes, bonus on the bonus. We are at 7,200 and we got bonus on the bonus. That's why I love Lightning Link. It just needs to be nice. Big numbers, please. I saw thousands. $1,000 fireball. Or miner. Please, miner. Save it with a miner. Guys, we hit a big... Sorry? Look at that. More than $8,000. Hello. 8,200 Echo. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all.